Our meeting today is to reaffirm our position that in the interest of unity, in the interest of peace, and also justice, we recommended that the next president should come from the South.
The governor of Kogi State chose to excuse himself from meeting with Mr. President because he believes that he does not agree with our position. There are 14 A.P.C governors out of the 19 northern states. 13 of us are on one page on this subject, and we all came to see the president. But the governor of Kogi State excused himself, and it is within his democratic rights to excuse himself.
We look at the totality of the issues in our country. We believe A.P.C with 22 governors, A.P.C with a president that has delivered on democratic dividend across the breadth of this country, has everything going for it. What is the political brinksmanship that we need to bring so that every component of Nigeria will feel important? Like I said, there are northern candidates of northern extraction, and we are not ignoring their capacity or their interest, but we felt that if political expediency can encourage a step that will bring more peace and resonate with everyone across Nigeria, we are bold enough to say it.